An annoying facet of Windows 10 now is that you are no longer able to set the registered owner and organization when you initially set up Windows. How do you know who those are? Well, click on Start and type WinVer. It's abbreviated for Windows version. In the window that pops up, have a look right over here. It says this product is licensed under etc. 2, and we just have test 1 in the field here. Now, if you were setting up Windows 10 with an email address, that's what will appear there. Or if you're setting up with a local user, during that initial setup, your local username will appear on this screen. Why do you want to change this to start off with? In many programs now, they use this information to customize that particular application and also for registration purposes. So you need to make sure that is correct. But how do you change it? It's actually pretty simple. Again, click on Start, type regedit 32. Once the screen comes up, you want to click on H key local machine, expand that, go into software, scroll all the way down in software to Microsoft, expand it. Now you're looking for Windows NT. Under that, current version. Once you have current version selected, scroll down on the right hand side here. You'll see registered organization and registered owner. If you click on registered owner, let's just type Steve for my name here. And we'll change the organization to my company, or whatever obviously your company is called. Now if we click on Start and type WinVer, we'll see right here it says Steve and my company. So that's how you'll change the registered owner and user of your particular computer. But please make sure before you modify the registry, make sure you do a backup of it, because I've seen so many cases where people corrupt their systems because they delete or change the wrong things and really make a mess of things. Also, if these two entries are not here, because I have seen a couple that are not, all you need to do is make sure current version is selected, right click on it, go new, and the value that you want is a string value. So click on string value and then type registered organization or registered owner exactly as it appears here, depending on which one you may or be missing from your screen. Anyway, hopefully that helps you. Until next video, folks, take care. Have yourselves a fantastic day. Bye now.